Hey guys, at the time of recording this, I am still dog sitting, so if you hear doggos, pitter patters, or Aerofix Dracona in the background,
hey guys,
she's staying with me, so I'm not a lonely being. Cause Cody got work, and we do the same jobby, so it was like, hey, you wanna come watch doggos with me? So I am not alone. So if she pops in every now and then and starts making background noise, that's why. Cause I love her. Cause apparently now, thanks to you guys, we have a ship name. But that wasn't the point of this fucking video. No, it's not. So pretty much what was going on was, so this amazing user on DA commissioned me for a normal commission, but they offered in the thing, I would like for it to be a speed paint. Many people do not know this, but I have offered speed paints with my commissions for a long time, but the difference is, you're going to be paying in-stream commission prices because I need to get the speed paint done all in one go. The only thing I do differently is the sketch in case the client wants to see it. I also like to keep sketches an extra day before I ink them so I can fix any anatomical mistakes that I might have missed. So, if you would like a speed paint commission from me, then you can easily get one. It varies from commission topic to commission topic on the price and how much it is. Usually it's probably a $10 surcharge on top of a normal commission price. Another thing I wanted to point out is I will not be doing topic video commissions, just so you know, because my topic videos do take a bit of time to think through, write a mini, script, aka keynotes for, since I don't make scripts. I usually just write down keynotes that I want to point out. And I don't want to sound mean, but a lot of the times, while I love doing commissions, a lot of them are just like, this is a really fun commission, so I don't really have much to talk about. Granted, for this one, I did have a bit of a fun time because they wanted a little bit of background. They wanted their character doing DJ-y stuff because their character's a DJ. And yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick little update, so this is a little extra video. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll let the music take it away.
bye guys, I'm in the background.
Thanks for ruining my ending! Okay, as always, I will see you guys next time. Bye!